So market remained hawkish even after the Federal Reserve pausing the rate hike for the first time in 15 months. Yes, the Federal Reserve is pausing the rate hike for the first time in 15 months, but the market, instead of continuing this bullishness, instead of following this continuation pattern, started showing weakness, started showing this reversal. So what to expect next for Bitcoin for the upcoming days? What to expect next for Bitcoin in the bigger time frame? Because in a bigger frame, we can see this pullback, what we are witnessing, is still looked as a retest. I have been talking about this scenario, inverse head and shoulder scenario, since couple of days, couple of weeks, and any sort of a pullback around 25,000. As long as we remain above that support line, this will be looked as a retest of this previous temporary neckline before turning bullish, right? And now, if we look at this price structure in a bit different way, if we look at this price formation here as an cup and handle, which is a bullish continuation pattern, this pullback, right, is going to be looked as a retest as well, because we are forming a handle. So once the price, once the price in the medium short term breaks out from this 28,000 resistance line, then we are going to look at this formation as a continuation pattern. Price getting attracted towards this 25,000 in the medium short term, and then slowly showing an impulsiveness which could bring the price of Bitcoin between 45 to 50,000 range. And if we look at this price objective, this price objective lies in between 0.5, 0.618 Fibonacci line. Because if you have been following me for a while, you know guys, I have already shared the price in 2017-18 had a downtrend, and after this 1 year of downtrend, the price finally started to form a bullish scenario, higher highs, higher lows continuation pattern type of scenario, and also got attracted towards this 0.5, 0.618 Fibonacci line before turning bearish. And now in our case, if the price objective from this cup and handle is going to play out, if the price objective from an inverse head and shoulder is going to play out, then we are also expecting the price, this is the best case scenario for Bitcoin, to get attracted towards 40 to 50,000 range before deciding that actual trend direction, just like here from the past price action, getting attracted towards this 0.5, 0.618, and then slowly starting a downtrend, because we know parallelly the price of Bitcoin is losing the support from this bullish scenario, which was supposed to break here to the upside. Yes guys, even after Federal Reserve pausing the rate hike, market, instead of showing this bullishness, is clearly lacking momentum. So what I want you guys to do is to clearly monitor our price move around 25,400, 25,500 range, because in the medium short term, we know this lower trend line right now in a daily time frame is considered as one of the most important line of support, and this is the exact line which is being broken in a daily time frame. So if the price of Bitcoin is going to fake out, then we definitely want to remain above 25,000 at any cost, because I just showed you with the bigger frame, 25,000 is one of the most important support line. Only after breaking below it, we know the trend is weakening, and this is an actual reversal to form another lower low. But for now, this shakeout could be turning into a fake out, because each and every time the price of Bitcoin has tested the support from this lower trend line, support from this lower trend line, what has happened? The price, after some range bound, has also started to show impulsiveness. Weak rejection, buyers stepped in, and price got attracted towards this upper trend line. Here we got attracted towards the lower trend line, but buyers stepped in, weak rejection, and then an impulsive move towards the upper trend line. Now, if this exact scenario is going to play out one more time, we fail to break below this falling trend line, we had a small relief rally, and now this is exactly where we are, but we are below it. So please be careful. Just like here, this here could be another weak rejection, and price after that jumping above 25,500, 25,600 range, and then again showing another impulsive movement here like this. And in our case, if you look at the price action, the price of Bitcoin has broken one of the most important support line around 25,600, 25,500 in the medium short term. And those who have been following me for a while, I showed you this very, very interesting scenario which pointed us losing the support from this horizontal trend line in the past price action has always resulted in a bigger retracement. We lost the support from this horizontal trend line, we had a free fall. We lost the support from this horizontal trend line, we had a free fall. Another time the support got broken, we are seeing a free fall. So please be careful. Even though this might look like another continuation here to the downside, what could the price of Bitcoin be doing? Faking out. Buyers stepping around this range, right? And then slowly again getting attracted towards this upper trend line before deciding the trend duration. Because you know, guys, I have been shouting on top of my lungs, we want the price to remain above 25,000. So just like this shakeout, right? After breaking the support from this ascending channel or rising channel, we had a shakeout. Each and every time the support got broken, we had a shakeout, and this is exactly what is being flashed right now as well. So what could the price of Bitcoin be doing next? Showing a range bound, right? Price consolidating around this 25,000 and then again forming another rising wedge, or ascending channel formation type of movement. And now we know, guys, the price in the medium short term might be looking bearish, but it could be faking out, retesting the support around 25,000 and then slowly showing bullishness. Because if you look at the CPR indicator in a smaller time frame, I'm using a daily CPR and this is in a 30-minute time frame. But today, the worst thing what could happen is this here. I mean, price getting attracted towards 24,600 and then jumping above 25,000 one more time. Yes, the S4 line for today is sitting around 24,600. So this would be the bearish target for today. But the price is already in between this 0.2, 0.3. I mean, S2, S3 line. We have to be careful. We have to be careful. Even though this might look bearish, tomorrow's CPR might be appearing somewhere around 25,400, 25,600 range, right between that range, and price again showing another impulsive movement like this, right? Price consolidating and again finding support above 25,500, 25,600 range, because only after losing the 25,000, we know the market is actually weakening, and in that case, all the bullish scenario which we have talked in my video are going to be invalidated. So please be careful of fake out, because we know each and every time the pullback has happened around the lower trend line, we had buyers jumping in. So we are expecting another time buyer jumping in. So let's hope for the best. Let's hope the price remains above 25,000 range. So this is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick update. If that's the case, then please destroy the like button. And for those individuals watching this for the first time, hit the subscribe button and the bell. Now, by saying this, I'm signing out. My name is Anup. Bye-bye.